Hi everyone, welcome back to this series that takes you through the features of BitBlast. Today we will explore scheduling automated backups to ensure your data is always protected. Let's navigate to the backup section within your BitBlast platform. Here locate the specific tab dedicated to backup or schedule. This is where you will configure automated backups for your databases. The scheduling process involves specifying a few key details like select storage provider, select database, toggle button for schedule backup. Ensure this is turned on for scheduling backup. Now provide retention period. Now select backup settings. You can select daily backups, weekly backups, and monthly backups. For now, I'm selecting monthly backups. Provide date and provide time. Once you have filled in all the details, click the button labeled Schedule Backup. BitBlast will process your request and establish the automated backup schedule. You have successfully scheduled your automated backups. BitBlast will typically redirect you to a scheduled backups list page. This list provides an overview of your configured schedules, allowing you to easily see all your scheduled backups at a glance. Change retention period. If you need change, you can adjust the retention period for specific scheduled backups directly from this list. You can also unschedule previously scheduled backup. That's it for scheduling backups in BitBlast. Remember, regular automated backups are crucial for data protection. Utilize this functionality to ensure your valuable data is always safe and secure. Thanks for joining us today. Stay tuned for more informative BitBlast videos.